Jeep has officially launched the Commander, a three-row SUV based on the Compass in the South American markets. Jeep Commander has been completely built at the car maker's Pernambuco facility in Brazil and is based on the same platform used for Compass, Renegade and other Jeep models. For the South American markets, Jeep is offering Commander SUV in two trims called Limited and Overland. While the Limited variant gets a 4x2 wheel drive system, the Overland trim gets a 4x4 mode. In size, Jeep Commander SUV is much larger than the Compass SUV. It stands 4,769mm in length, about 36 cm longer than the Compass, 1,859mm wide, 1,682mm in height, and gets a 2,794mm of wheelbase. The Commander's exterior is highlighted by a typical Jeep design, consisting of a grille with 7 slats flanked on each sides by the full LED headlamps. On the sides are the trapezoidal wheel arches, along with a much straighter sideline than on the Compass. The Commander SUV for the South American markets is offered with a standard 18-inch wheels. It can be upgraded to 19-inch wheels in the Overland variant. The Commander's interior is also quite similar to that of the Compass SUV. It gets a 10.1-inch Full HD wide touchscreen infotainment system and an even bigger 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster. There are 9 Harman Kardon speakers with 450 watts capacity. The Overland version also comes with the Alexa virtual assistant. Jeep is offering the Commander SUV with 2 engine options. Both the Limited and Overland variants are powered by a 1.3-liter Turbo Firefly petrol engine that can generate 185 horsepower of power and 270 Newton meters of peak torque. It is the same engine that has already been used in the Compass. The Overland 4x4 variant will also get the more well-known 2.0 multi-jet turbo diesel engine. It can deliver up to 170 horsepower of power and 380 Newton meters of peak torque. There are 2 transmission options, the first being 6-speed automatic for front-wheel drive editions. The second, with 9 gears, is for diesel-powered options.